Welcome to Southwest Florida Scale Model Builder. My name is Jim. Let's get building! Road trip! Woohoo! Let's go! This is awesome! I love this 1947 Chevy. Ricky's like it a fun. I dream back.
Hello, and thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Jim. This is Southwest Florida Scale Model Builders. And today I'm going to do the reveal of the Moebius 1947 Chevy Fleetmaster. I've been trying to get this kit done. It's a great kit. It went together fairly well. No cleanup really on the parts. And it's just a great kit. I couldn't cut it up and make it into a gasser or anything. The kit was just too nice. So with that, I'm going to bring you down, get you a little closer, and it's going to be a short video, and I'll show you what I did. Here we go. First off, the model was completely painted with Kaleido acrylics, and the color itself is a color that I mixed. I wanted to get a really deep burgundy, so I mixed 3 different clear. I used red, blue, and brown. They're new clear paints. Got it to the color I wanted. The car was primered in their dark black primer. Then I put, I don't know how many coats on, and then I put that in the dehydrator, and then when that was dry, I taped off and painted some silver around the windows and molding. And then I used their clear varnish. And there's at least 6, probably 7 coats on there. And when I was done, I really wasn't great. I really wasn't happy with it this time. So I sat there and I did a nice wet sanding. I only used 5,000. I think it came out great. And the first time I actually did a buffing on it with my Dremel. And I think it's smooth, it's shiny. I thought it came out really good. There's the stance. It is lowered. I was going to put the skirts on it, but I like the wheels, so I decided not to. The only modifications I really did to it was I put a shifter in there. As you can see, it's a black ball, tall shifter. And I did a distributor with wires. And that is the only really upfits that I did to it. All the windows were in. I was going to leave the side windows out or front. I was going to cut it, but no. I put all the windows in. Here's the rear of the car. I was real happy the way it comes out. I really like Moebius kits. I think, I haven't done a Tamiya, but I think the Moebius kits are the best on the market as far as detail, the way things fit, and a little bit of flash. Let's take the hood off. Didn't do a whole lot of detailing on the engine, actually. But it's the Hot Rod 6 version with the 3 deuces. I think they're deuces. They may be singles. Single Strombergs. There's the plug wires all done. The coil's in there wired. Underneath, like I said, basically stock. Went together great. Hood came out really nice. And that's basically the reveal of my finished 1947 Chevy. Whoops. Before I break it, put it in a case. Alright, I'm going to put you back up on the tripod and we'll end this video. That is my 47 Chevy. Like I said, it's all Kaleido paints. The interior is white. I wanted to make it like a similar low rider, but and the white is the interior is all white rawhide leather, and it's a great kit. I recommend it for anybody who wants to build a nice model. All right, and with that, I'm going to end this. And I'm going to say thank you. Don't forget to send me your email for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It ends on Friday the 24th. And I'll announce the winner on Sunday the 26th. And there's 3 kits, which I'll put a picture up. And I can't wait to give them away to somebody. Because I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed to my channel. And with that, I'm going to say peace, take care, and I am out of here.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.
They forgot about the time when they were young, about the things they did and the songs they sung. But now we got some both young and old, mama. That's rock and roll. Oh, rock it now, yeah.